So testing will do one of two things to us. When we have to endure, when we receive that blowback or that difficulty, testing will do one of two things. Again, if Satan has his way, it will separate us from the grace of Jesus Christ. We will just simply think, well, this isn't worth it. The opposition is greater than my witness to Christ. The opposition is greater than any value I receive from following Jesus Christ, so I'm just going to drop it. And if so, Satan has had his way. We've separated ourselves from the grace of Jesus Christ. But as Christ tells his church, if we endure, you're going to receive the crown of life. The abundant life that Christ gives us in this life now and the promise of eternity with him forever that no one can take away from us. I heard it put like this just yesterday, and I think this is really important. Suffering reveals our relationship with God up to that point. Suffering will reveal how you have been building or not building your relationship with Jesus Christ up to that point. This is how endurance gets traction in our futures. It does so by our faithfulness in the past.